it's not worth sacrificing or risking these. We might as well just fill them. Hmm. All right. Just verify the time on all of these one last time. Okay. These can go in here. Garlic. We need a lot of. Again, somehow. We'll do this plus 8, and then another 64. It'll give us 2 beds of garlic. I don't think we need to grow onions. I think we have some here. Yeah. How many did we have? 62, but a bunch cut up. Actually swap these. Um, Tomatoes, we'll do 2 beds, which is 32. What else do we need? Corn. $32, and then off to the other warehouse. This car's actually fucking busted. Okay, these are not here, by the way. In case you're wondering why I'm planting over them. I did mean to turn these off, but free up. The note said, Ryan, I hit your car like 10 times. All the scratches and dents, me. And it was signed to Susie. Ricky, I don't know if I said thank you, but thank you so much for the 56 months. I appreciate it. Hmm. Hmm. I think this may have been one of the first Forrester songs we had actually listened to on stream. Hello?
Hey Ryan, how's it going?
Oh, it's just been a busy day.
How's it actually?
Well, kinda. It's like nothing happens and then everything at once.
Yeah, Jordan's actually told me that's what happens sometimes.
Yep, and the crazy part is like everything's already grown. I just need to grab it, but it's a gazillions of carrots.
That's the thing that I noticed. Like sometimes, like, listen, I've only done a few like grows, right? And then like Chaz will be like, "Yeah, can I get like two?" I'm like,
Yep,
or
and then
five, and I'm
and
like,
then
"Yeah,
Amika,
sure."
and
Yeah, but
then
even just Chaz takes a long time. Like it takes so long to pick everything up.
yep. Um, with like 15-20 minutes, you can plow through it no problem. But like if you get one person and then another person back to back, it gets rough.
Yeah,
But
that is true.
um, I bought a car,
Wait, really? What did you get?
a shitty tailgater, which somehow isn't shitty. Listen, I heard $50,000 and that it was good. This shit is busted for 50 grand.
Yeah, I've talked to the car manufacturers, and they're doing it differently than what you used to. They don't, like, for the most part, we're like kind of used to like cars being kind of like by price a little bit,
Uh huh.
but nowadays it's more like depending on like models and stuff, to be honest. Like, for example, like I had talked to them, I'm like, hey, you might have to look into I forgot what car Benz has, but it's like 600K. I was like, hey, can you look into it maybe? And they were like, yeah, like it's supposed to be like that. We don't like do cars off of like prices anymore or anything like that. I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah, well, this thing may be called a tailgater, but I'm gonna be a trailblazer. All right. That thing, no turbo, nothing. The brakes are good. The acceleration is good. I mean, I wish it was all-wheel drive, but listen. There's only so much I can ask for. It's just good
Yeah, for
across
the
the board.
price, you can't really
Listen,
complain.
I went to I saw 50 grand. I was like, no way. 50 grand? It's
Yeah.
stupid cheap. I made more than that today.
Yeah. I mean, to be honest, if the other car that you end up wanting to get in the future that a lot of people have is the Premier, that car,
Yeah, but
like,
the
it
premiere,
is
that shit is
insane.
like 150
It's
grand or
loud.
something.
No, it drops down to 100. Like, if you get it
Well,
at 100,
I'm
it's
pretty
so good.
sure. I'm pretty sure it was like 150 when I went to Mosley's.
Yeah.
Listen, for 100 grand cheaper, I got a tailgater.
Yeah, that's true. I don't like how cheap these cars are, to be honest with you.
So here's the thing. I prefer the look of the Premiere, but I'm not paying an extra 100 grand for the look. I'm saving that
Yeah.
money for hopefully a Stratum.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
it's still
true.
going.
I'm holding out. I'm in it for the long haul.
Well, the good thing about the good thing about you, Ryan, is gonna be ain't no Stratum gonna be worth no $2 million. So whenever that shit come out, it definitely ain't gonna
Well,
fucking.
you never know. Who knows? It could be. It could
I
be
would.
the $2 million, and I would pay it too.
Yeah, I know you would.
I would fucking pay it in a heartbeat.
Listen, we already talked about this. I know for a fact that if that shit is remotely expensive in any way, you're 100% being the first guy to buy that shit. No hesitation.
I'm farming for a reason.
Yeah.
I'd one day Stratum. Hopefully, who knows?
Yeah.
But yeah.
Is there enough for 5 cooks, by the way?
Yep. So you don't? Do you have keys to Ledson's place?
No, I don't.
All right. So next door, there's I don't know if I replanted, but there's definitely enough for 5 for sure.
Okay.
I'm just planting stuff for the kebab shop, and I should. Well, actually, it's garlic. There's 120 something that I need to plant. But I can grab the pumpkins from next door. Oh, Susie has a key. Oh wait, no. Maybe she
God, I'm
doesn't.
almost dead.
Oakley does. I don't know if Susie does. Shit. I
I'm good,
think
I'm good.
Susie has a key. So if I'm not around, you might be able to get Susie to get the pumpkins from next door.
Actually, I'll ask Letson too. I don't think he'd mind if I had keys.
Yeah, probably not. I mean, it's literally everyone he knows.
Yeah. I don't
So
think.
I don't
he
think it's
cares,
that
but
big of a
yeah.
deal. Now we are running into an issue, and I think it's the amount of carrots, but also all 3 warehouses side by side are planting stuff.
Oh, Ryan, actually, I was emailing Jordan, and he said if I can ask you to actually might as well add me too, just in case. But if you could add Oakley to the panel,
On the small one? The
the one
small
that's under
warehouse?
your name, yeah,
All right. Do you have Oakley State ID?
yeah, I do. Let me see.
Because I'm here right now planting. As soon as I'm done, I'll add Oakley.
Oakley's is 1802.
1802.
Yeah,
All right, I'll add Oakley.
and mine's is a 1052. I don't know if mine's there or not.
It should be, but either way, I'll double check and add you if not.
Okay, sounds good.
All right. Well,
All right,
if you need
appreciate
anything
it.
from me, let me know. I'll get those pumpkins as soon as I can. It might have to be after the storm. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's fine. No, I literally just woke up, so I'm not stressing.
All right. Sounds good.
All right, thank
All
you.
right, bye.
Bye.
Road to Stratum? Not wrong. Not wrong. I really do hope a Stratum gets released. Mm. I like this song. Got a nice vibe to it. Ugh. Hmm. Why does this almost sound like a toned down chain smokers? Sorry, I think of the most random shit and fucking comparisons. Ugh, fuck, I read the thing about yawning and I yawned. That's messed up. I'm being baited. Could absolutely be y'all. And it is y'all. Ooh, I've heard this song many times. This a jam. This in the car jam. Chat is innocent? Possibly. Ugh. I think I call it, chat. I'm gonna plant this. Oh, I just turned my headset off. One moment. There we go. We're gonna plant this. Let L Dog go out. Chill. Finish up the farming stuff and then go to sleep. Is Chem live? Twitch.tv/Kemini. Nope. NoPixel.hasroot.com. I'm going to send you to Chelb. So chat, thank y'all so much for all love and support. I appreciate it. Thank y'all for the follows, host rates, bits, donations, subs, get subs, resubs. I say this each and every time. I genuinely cannot have asked for a better community to be built around the channel. So thank y'all for being absolutely amazing. If y'all haven't already, follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/Curvyelephant. Join our Discord, discord.gg/Curvyelephant. And if you enjoyed what you saw today, drop me a follow on Twitch. I'd appreciate that as well. I'm getting y'all sent off. So, y'all have a good one. See you tomorrow.